Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Haratul Omnia Astofa. I am from Muhammadiyah Purworejo University. Okay, my friend, in this presentation we will discuss about efforts to increase the ability of gender equality through inclusive social gender-based learning in grade 5 students. First, introduction. The world of education in Indonesia is aware of the dangers of educational underdevelopment. One of the things about gender inequality is already starting to be felt. Gender equality and justice requires proper socialization, and through educational institution is a way that is felt to be influential in addition to the environment and family. The environment is very influential on one's view of gender, and school is an environment that has a big role in shaping social understanding in students. Equal distribution of learning opportunities has an impact on justice and gender equality so that it affects the improvement of the quality of human resource. Most people think that women are not very important in getting an education, even though if this view is still preserved, it will have an impact on decreasing the equality of education. Next, identification of problems. Competition and obligation to dress neatly are always dominated by women. And next, male students often create problems while women are more observant. Male students are more likely to seek attention, while women are more silent. Superior achievement is usually dominated by men. And the last is male students are more active in class during the learning process. After that, objectives. This study aims to determine the efforts made by the school in increasing the ability of gender equality through inclusive social gender-based learning, through interview with school principals and fifth grade teachers, and to determine the improvement of students' ability in terms of affective, psychomotor, and cognitive through test results. This research will be carried out in four Muhammadiyah elementary schools in Purworejo. Research methods. Types of research. Mixed method is a research method by combination to qualitative and quantitative research method in a research activity so that more comprehensive, valid, reliable, and objective data will be obtained. Research sites Muhammadiyah Elementary Schools A, Muhammadiyah Elementary Schools B, Muhammadiyah Elementary School C, Muhammadiyah Elementary School D. Data collection technique. First, interview and document. The interview technique was conducted with the principal and fifth grade teachers in four Muhammadiyah Elementary School, namely Muhammadiyah A Elementary School, Muhammadiyah B Elementary School, Muhammadiyah C Elementary School, and Muhammadiyah G Elementary School. After that, two is test question. Test sheet is used as a data collection tool that can show the skill level of students in solving problems. The type of test used is a description of 5 items and making story pictures. Research sample. 17 Muhammadiyah Elementary Schools A, 40 Muhammadiyah Elementary Schools B, 99 Muhammadiyah Elementary School C, and 48 Muhammadiyah Elementary School C. Data collection. Psychomotor ability. Based on the graph above, it can be seen the average score is in elementary school A. Female student is 86 in the very good category, and for male students is 81 in the very good category. In elementary school B, for female students of 80 in the very good category, and for male students is 78 in the very good category, and for male student is 77 in the very good category. In elementary school B, female student is 83 in the very good category, and for female student is 77 in the very good category. The average of male student from the four elementary school was 79, and the average value of female student was 82. After that, cognitive ability. Based on the text at the graph above, it can be conclude that the average score in elementary school A for female student is 86 in the very good category, and for male student is 81 in the very good category. In elementary school B, for female student of 80 in the very good category, and for male student of 80 in the very good category. In elementary school C, for female students is 78 in the very good category, and for male student it is 77 in the very good category. In elementary school D, for female student is 83 in the very good category, and for male student is 77 in the very good category. The average score of male students from the four elementary school was 79, and the average value of female students was 82. After that, affective ability, based on the graph above, it can be seen that the affective score in elementary school A for female student is 80 in the very good category, and for male student it is 85 in the very good category. Of elementary school B, of our female student it was 80 in the very good category, and for male student it was 91 in the very good category. In elementary school C, for female student of elementary school D, for female student was 82 in the very good category, and for male student it was 87 in the very good category. Then that result and discussion. Effective. First, the school carries out of the habits of doing good and holding spiritual extracurriculars. The school has also improved various regulations to discipline these students, such as getting into the habit of going early in the morning and performing the duha prayer. So the process of increasing the honest aspect of the school is to make habit retention by reminding students about applications that are carried out or not carried out directly. After that, 3, improve in attitudes from the caring aspect, namely reminding students to always help other students, and to improve the politeness aspect of student is by teaching habituation so that they always apply a smile, greet, and treat the teacher. 4, the school increases students' self-confidence by giving students the opportunity to choose what they like, one of which is extracurricular selection. After that, psychomotor. Based on the findings of the research that has been done, it is obtained data that the school and teacher have provided service and program that are equal and balanced between male and female students to maximize the psychomotor abilities of students, but the result of the psychomotor abilities of fifth grade students are more dominated by students men. Cognitive. The school organize KS and extracurricular activities to maximize the cognitive abilities of students without discrimination. The school also provides special assistance teachers for students with special needs. 7. Efforts are made by teacher to support cognitive abilities, namely by providing practice question, evaluation, and providing different learning methods or models in order to provide an understanding of the material discussed. From the observation of effective in fifth grade student in religious, discipline, and polite aspect, female students are superior, honest, and caring aspect are superior male students. From the results of physical motor data for the fifth grade student, it is found that those who obtained the highest average score were male students in the very good category. From the aspect of the cognitive abilities of the fifth grade students, it was found that the highest average score was achieved by female students in the very good category. The French Iswara in 2016, number 2 Karani and Taufik 2021, Latu G 2018, Mahdi NI and JF Anjat 2020, Nur AS and Palopo 2018, Prasetya D and Suherman 2021, Prastyo D 2020, Putra DA 2018, Putria Maula and Uslatun 2020, and after that Rosa 2017, Setiawan 2019, Sirdar 2018, Sugiono 2015, Umirana 2016, Utami 2020, Wardah 2019. Okay, thank you for your listening. May all those we have shall be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.